Dog people usually find this book to be kind of challenging to read when I've taught it before.
Not challenging, exactly. Scary.
So reading that part of the book made you feel scared.
I I didn't like it. It made me think about Ash. There were a couple of times when I was little when Ash got hurt.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. How did she get hurt?
Um, she was barking. Something really upset her.
Mm-hmm.
And and that made my dad angry,
How did that make you feel?
scared.
You said your dad was angry. What did he do? What was it that upset Ash? Charlie? Charlie?
What?